have a video that is ready to go up, but it's not going up until tomorrow. I still have to fill out the description box and all of that, but I am trying to grow out my hair. Oh, just knocked my mirror down. I'm trying to grow out my hair, and this, I show you guys my hair with no extensions, what it looks like without fixing it, how bad I've screwed it up. By the time you're watching this vlog, this video is already up, so make sure you check it out if you haven't already, but you should have already, right? Right. Okay, I'm going to get changed and I'm going to Ulta. Oh, why is this so zoomed in? I went to Ulta, and guess what? I am going to film a haul video. Who's excited? Actually, I went to Ulta yesterday and today, so I'm just gonna include stuff from both days because I haven't used any of it yet. And I've never filmed a haul on my channel. Also, I need to clean my office so bad. Another day. Just another day. I have to go pick up Lee's anniversary gift, and then I'm going, then I'm going to get a spray tan, and then we're going to Nashville. Nashville is one of my favorite places ever, so I'm so super excited. Okay, so Leon,
yeah,
say hi to my YouTube.
What up, YouTube fans and followers?
Where are we going?
Nashville, whatever you want to call it.
You know, some people call Nashville Nash Vegas. That's a fun fact. Nash Vegas.
Really?
Yeah. This is what I look like. Since I've lost weight, I felt like it was appropriate to let my boobs hang out.
Looking fly,
is that appropriate?
Looking fly. I got good control set at 80. Probably could do 85.
And we're listening to old school jams right now.
But you know me.
Okay, so we left our house and I had an eyelash crisis. Something in my eye. So I had to rip the eyelash off. I didn't bring glue. So we had to go back home. So we're still on the road to Nashville. What are we going to Nashville for?
I got dinner reservation.
No, I mean, yeah, you have dinner reservations.
Oh, yeah, I got.
But what's today?
Today's my anniversary.
Can't hear you.
Today's our anniversary.
Just
been married for 11 years. I'm celebrating my anniversary.
You're married?
Yeah, I'm probably going to embarrass you in public at this reservation.
Oh, God, no.
Yeah, it's a hot spot, too.
You're married?
Downtown Nashville.
Who are you married to?
The person who's holding the camera.
I'm just giving you a hard time.
I know. I'll give you a hard time, too.
11 years. Does it feel like 11 years, or does it feel like longer or shorter?
It feels like 11 years. Since it's today it feels like 11 years, but I'm trying to make today feel like it was the beginnings, like the first time. So I'm trying to make it.
Because here's a fun fact about Leon and I. So when we got married, he was 19 and I was 21, right? So, I was pregnant with our daughter, and so we had like a decent sized wedding. We just didn't know like if we could afford any sort of honeymoon. So we ended up getting so much money at our wedding reception that we took off and headed to Tennessee.
Is that a fun fact?
It's a fun fact. I called it a fun fact.
That's not very fun.
It's thing that, yeah, I think it is. It's things that people don't know. So we headed to Tennessee because Tennessee's always been my place. And we went to Nashville. It was the very first time that Leon actually ever went to Tennessee. See, fun fact. People didn't know this. And then it was the first time we ever came here. And we literally spent like a week here. That was fun.
Yep, it was gangster.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some pretty scenery now. And
My windows are dirty.
And I don't mean my boobs.
She told me I couldn't go through the car wash. I need to get my car cleaned. So, how many years we got?
2.
2?
Been married for 2 years. It's the
Shit.
happiest 2 years of my entire life.
Oh yeah, it is now?
Yes. 2 years.
So we're walking to our dinner reservations now. We're just down
2
here.
years plus
Plus what?
9.
Plus 9?
I've had a lot of drinks.
So are you a math teacher now?
I
Because
am.
I don't know the answer to that question.
I teach makeup, I teach math, I teach everything that starts
We're, and it's got this nice caddy pulling up.
Once I get to the crib, I'll put some on to you over
with me. Makeup and math.
You do?
Hit me up for tutoring. Actually, I
You got a group of crew guys hanging out over here.
I sucked at math.
So, this is where we're heading. I got it on my navigation. That's where we're going. But it's pretty nice down here.
You're pretty nice.
That area right up here, let me zoom in. That's where we was at. That's where the bar is.
That's where we got crunk. Crunk.
Where is it?
Up there.
Hold on, let me zoom out a little bit. That's where we got what?
Crunk.
For sure.
He's going to the car to get a different shirt because I guess the restaurant that we're going to is fancy. He's running. He never runs. He stopped. He's still running. Run, run. Run, run, run. Okay, he's done. Are crispy Brussels sprouts, and they are the bomb, and I don't even like Brussels sprouts. So good, right? And you know we're drinking water in a fancy little schmancy bottle here. So since we are celebrating our anniversary at the sushi place, they said they don't bring out flowers, but they bring out a sushi flower. It's a rose. Look at this.
No.
I'm so excited. It's legit. And look, a little leaf out of wasabi.
That's
so
cool.
cute. Okay guys, this is the first time I've ever seen this in my life. I did not know that you could put a boot on a scooter. But they put not only one, they put 2. And there's like a stack of tickets, bro. The scooter ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. This scooter is stuck here for life.